Good morning guys, quick update. We're packing up the bivvy. We woke up super early today. I think we got up at like 3:45 to get everything sorted. So yeah, now it's starting to drip again from last night's storm. Packing up everything in the van, in the chimney, and then getting ready to head out. So cool, see you guys now. Okay, so we saw the start. It didn't rain yet, but now it's kind of pissing down. But I'm heading straight to the finish now of the stage to see if I can catch him there. Let's then cut to more updates from how the first stage was. What's up guys? So after a hell of a long liaison, going from where we got these last shots that you guys have seen to where we are now, basically it looks like nowhere. So this point where I'm at now is about, I think after the 100k mark. Let's see what the landscape is, because I see it comes down there and it makes it 20 seconds now, and up there it's a 90 right what they have to do, and then they go back down to a full out straight. But yeah, here's some of the shots that I got around here. So I'm not even sure what it's about, like there's nothing out here, but it gets my adrenaline pumping so much. Standing here, camera in hand, seeing these guys fly by, chasing those seconds. There's those few seconds of being quicker than the guy in front of him, or getting like further ahead of the guy that's behind him, and just keep on pushing, that determination, and they're still just going through it, which is flipping awesome. And I think that's the part of the racing that I love. Like, these guys do some incredible stuff. So I think I picked an awesome spot there to get a few really cool shots. It's a quick 38-minute drive back to the bivouac. Hopefully get a shower, some chow. We have to catch up with Charan, see how stage 2 was. Yeah, because he looked good, he looked cool, calm and collected. Let's get back to the bivouac and go from there. We're out here at the start. Camera's ready. Look at this, like on this pan. This is where we're starting today, so I think we're going to get some awesome photos. So cut to some drone footage that Pat's getting now. So some awesome shots here on this pan, like really, this is insane. Gonna catch them now at the road crossing, gonna come back here because they're in the stage, and then they liaison all the way back here, and then they start off the second loop here, and then they go out and do the other side, and then we're gonna make the mission. So let's go. Yeah, so we've arrived at the midpoint of the finish of the first part of stage 3. Yes, Patrice is enjoying the sunlight. Is it? It might look okay, but it's still cold. I don't think.
Here.
Hey, there's
Mr. Curtis is coming in his big patrol.
Mr. Curtis is right over there. So yeah, but let's set up our camp, we chill for a bit. It's only 20 past 10 and they'll only be arriving here by 12. So we've got a few hours to chill. So see you guys now. So me and Pat have scaled the dunes.
Yeah.
Busy.
Busy recovering, trying to breathe.
Trying to breathe a little bit. Yeah, we're just here. Dunes, dunes, and more dunes. And we're looking for the spot where they get over the dunes so we can get cool photos. But yeah, so let's cut to some of the photos that me and Pat got of them crossing the dunes. So, time-wise, Charan's still in the lead. Yeah, I just got one of my bucket list shots, getting the shot from the dunes. Pretty cool. Now we're going back to the van where they will finish. Yes! Yes!